In this video, we compare HS175D GPS Drone Package and Potensic ATOM Drone. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The HS175D GPS Drone Package by Holy Stone offers a 4K ultra-clear camera featuring a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens, ensuring high-resolution images and smooth, stable videos even under challenging conditions. With GPS auto return, the drone can automatically return home when the signal is lost, out of range, or low on power, providing a worry-free flight experience. Enhanced flight experience is guaranteed with 2 batteries offering up to 46 minutes of flight time, along with features like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one-key takeoff landing, and speed adjust. The drone is thoughtfully designed with a foldable fuselage, making it easy to store and portable for outdoor travel, and its weight is under 250 grams, saving users from FAA registration. It comes packed with intelligent functions, including the ability to trace and follow automatically, fly along a set path, circle around a point, and take photos or videos when you pose to the camera. With a review score of 4.1 and over 5,950 reviews, the HS175D GPS Drone Package is a highly rated product offering excellent value for its price of $169.99. The Potensic ATOM Drone is an incredibly lightweight gadget, weighing less than 249 grams, making it easily portable and exempt from FAA or remote ID registration. Equipped with a SONY CMOS sensor and a 12-megapixel camera capable of recording 4K 30 FPS video, the drone ensures high-quality image and video capture. The drone features a fast 1.5H charging time and offers an impressive 96 minutes of flight time with its 3 batteries, ensuring ample time for exploration. The drone boasts an upgraded PixSync 3.0 technology that ensures strong anti-interference compatibilities and a maximum transmission range of up to 6 kilometers. The ATOM drone camera supports visual tracking and creative features like pull-away, rocket, circle, spiral, and boomerang, giving users the freedom to record creative moments. The drone is beginner-friendly, with its enhanced GPS capabilities and return-to-home feature, ensuring steady aerial shots and safe flight. The HS175D GPS Drone Package and the Potensic ATOM Drone are both excellent choices for drone enthusiasts, each offering unique features and advantages. The HS175D offers a 4K ultra-clear camera with adjustable lens, providing high-resolution images and smooth videos. This drone also has GPS auto return and a host of intelligent functions such as automatic tracing and following, flying along a set path, and taking photos or videos when you pose to the camera. The Potensic ATOM Drone, on the other hand, features a SONY CMOS Sensor and a 12-megapixel camera capable of recording 4K 30 FPS video. In terms of flight time, the ATOM Drone outperforms the HS175D, offering an impressive 96 minutes of flight time compared to HS75D's 46 minutes. However, the HS175D has a higher review score and more reviews, indicating a larger user base. In terms of price, the HS175D is more affordable than the ATOM drone. Ultimately, the choice between these two drones depends on the specific needs and budget of the user.